Yo, Perma, get ready. Perma, engage, get ready. Northwest,
Northwest,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch this, guys. Kite. Bitaw agad. Kite agad. Reset. Come southeast. Kick kami southeast. Hold then. Kick kami southeast, okay? Help my tanks. Northwest, okay? Step up now. Get ready. I'm gonna fake only. Okay? Go. Hold down. Hanggat hindi sila nagpo-push through, hindi tayo magka-kite ta. So, pag nag-step up sila, kite tayo a bit southeast. Okay? Merong bridge sa east side, pupunta tayo doon.
7, nag-hot mic ka, 7.
Ay, sige.
Hold lang. You ready headbutt. Ready my demons. My demon armors, get ready. Hold lang. I think caller. Yo, look at the caller. Perma engage on the caller. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perma engage on the caller. Ay, kama. Full defense.
Pag may bola sa likod Aray ko po.
Heal,
Sige,
nag-push na.
na kayo. Kahit na daw tayo. Nagpo-push na sila.
Push the bridge northwest, okay? Reset kayo ng cooldown. Push the bridge northwest, guys. Northwest. Hello, NW.
Northwest now.
NW. Switch side, okay? Yo, ready defenses up. Keep coming. Pawkward, okay? Locus,
Yung
okay?
mga nasa Rachel Issue ka.
Southeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast on me. For damage. Ay, come northwest ba? Yo, they're gonna pass through again, Pa-heal. Kite north. North side ang kite. Okay, reset kayo ng cooldown habang nagka-kite north side. Come to me.
May bridge din.
Come to me. You ready defenses they're gonna look soon. Malalay ng iba. Dikit kayo onte sa akin. Southeast southeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow. Okay, come back. Kite back.
SMW kayo dyan.
The sweeper armor. Nice stops, okay?
Druid, Paul.
Reset your cooldown.
Sino ba naka-Dust Weaver? Ano tayo, salitan tayo. Sabi ko mag-drop.
Sino naka-druid, Paul? Pa-drop ng druid.
Dropping.
Mugi, nawawala ka, Mugi.
Mugi yung boses mo.
Hindi ako nagsasalita.
Hindi, kanina nawawala ka.
Yan, nawala kayo.
Hindi kanina nawala ka nung nagpa-push ka ng Northwest Bridge.
Yo, wait lang. Chill muna. Muna kayo,
Yan, okay na.
Yo, Perma, mag-fake robe ka lang. Punta ka southeast. Fake robe lang ka lang. Go. Ready, defend now. Everyone, counter, southeast deep, Full counter southeast deep, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter southeast deep. Okay, come back. Guard runes, come on, guard runes, hello. Guard runes.
May nag-heal sa ilalim natin. Ano yun?
Yo. Spread. Come west side. Southwest, boys. Southwest lang. Sige, kite. Just walk. Yo, look at the choke. Perma engage on the choke. Northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perma engage on the choke. Northeast. Then kite back south. Kite back south. South. Just walk south. Okay. Just walk south. Ang layo ng iba mag-kite. Sa gilid kayo nagka-kite kaya hindi kayo nasasama sa Pa-cleanse ng west side. Defenses. Dude, wag kasi kayo mag-wrap around. Hindi nyo nagagamit yung occult natin pa nagra-wrap kayo. Come southeast.
Trapping ako, sige lang.
Come southeast, come south. Wag kayong mag-wrap. Nagra-wrap kayo Nakikita ko Come south. Stop wrapping, man. Just fucking go with the flow. We have defenses, we have cleanses. Just come south. We go past the choke. Okay, reset tier.
Ano na kayo malalim Trapping ako ng Okay, mag-hood ako.
Come southeast.
May offensive locus ka, Mugi.
Meron. Si Daddy B dapat. Come southeast.
Medyo ilikod mo dati, B. Hinihil yun yung likod natin
Perma engage shallow on the skull. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perma engage on shallow. Come back, east, come east now, come east agad, come east agad, sige, come east agad. Yo, sige, keep kami east, keep walking, just walk
Lagyan
east,
ko siya.
east, northeast tayo, ikot ulit, northeast. Sa bridge ulit tayo pupunta, Defenses shallow, full defense shallow, come north.
Ayun ako.
How many seconds cooldown?
Ano sa Nilar?
Inside, look at the death tanks inside, Yo, DPS, look at me,
Ako lang,
inside. Wait, keep coming. Keep coming, Earth. Inside, on the death tanks, on the death tanks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on me. Then kahit back. Bro, di nyo na tatamaan. Come north.
On the south side walking
Keep coming north. Ready defenses, defense on the choke, defense shallow, heal daddy B.
Daddy,
Keep
tagal mo na
kiting.
din
Pa-hold sila. Okay, good. Pa-reset cooldown May cooldown kayo? Shallow, southeast, on the choke only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow on the choke only. Okay, come back. Come north. Sa bridge ulit na isa.
Sige lang, dropping ako ng ice.
Yo, DPS, kailangan mag-sync kayo sa isang target lahat, please. Yung sinabi ko shallow, tamaan nyo lang yung tanks na taas natin para hindi tayo na-hold. Hold. Come northwest. Yo, get ready to headbutt. Ready your potions, okay? Yo, actually just fuck it. Full headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, full headbutt. Kill these people inside. Okay, nice. Now come back. Reset. Patayin nyo itong tank sa loob. Reset. Cooldown agad. Reset your cooldown agad. How many seconds? Look at me, okay? On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on me only. Then spread. You took lump top. Spread. Okay, come southeast. We go past the bridge again. Southeast. Okay, one by one. Pass the bridge southeast. Ready? Defense middle.
Oh,
Okay.
kubos.
Oh my god. Okay, everyone. Spread around.
Bye.
Run.
Praise the Lord. Ay, sumuntok pa. Bala ka dyan. Sang gigang malala. Run away!
Ang hindi ako pinapansin.
Makakaligtas kaya yung katabi ko kanina.
Yun may VOD.
Uy, nakasurvive.
Hindi ako pinansin.
Hindi, makinig muna kayo. Makinig ko na kayo, DPS. Yung DPS ko, hindi kayo iisang target lahat yung tinatamaan. Medyo random pa rin kayo, kaya hindi kayo nagsisync. Hindi tayo nakaka-delete full. Dapat mabilis tayo nakaka-delete ng kalaban Pero hindi nyo na-delete ng mabilisan Kasi iba-iba yung tinatarget nyo, iba natatamaan nyo Kahit yung mga miss-piercer ko, iba yun. Point and click na nga lang, nagkakamali pa rin kayo. Hindi ko alam kung paano nangyari yun Huwag nyo targetin yung pinakamalaking clump na makita nyo. Targetin nyo yung kung ano yung tinuturo ko. Kasi yung ibang DPS, tinatarget nila kung ano yung tinuturo ko. Yung iba sa inyo, tinatarget nila kung ano yung anong gusto nilang tamaan. Diba? Tapos, huwag kayong nagra-wrap masyado. Kasi pa nag-wrap kayo masyado, edi anong point ng locus natin? Anong point ng guard runes natin? Anong point ng occults natin? Diba? May iwan talaga kayo. Okay? Ang dami kanina nagra-wrap. Tapos, pagpabalik na tayo, pass out na tayo, lahat kayo, naiiwan. Para saan pa yung demon armors natin? Diba? We have defensive, we have demon armors, right? So as much as possible, we have to try to stick together. Kasi dapat fast engage lang siya right? We go like we're walking east side, right? We engage east side. We occult in guard runes, locuses, right? And then yun, wala dapat na stop sa inyo. You guys have GG boots. You guys have locus. We have offensive locus, we have cleanses, right? So, hindi dapat nasa-stop kayo basta-basta sa engages. Yung healing hoods, hindi nga dapat tumatama sa inyo Gets nyo ba? Kasi dapat nalulocus lahat yan Tapos, yun, pabalik, right? After nun, balik lang agad. Yung, wala dapat akong death tank na dumidikit masyado sa kalaban. Except si Heavy Mace. Si BMS, mainly, pang ano siya, pang soak in siya ng engage ng kalaban, right? Si Great Arcane, usually ginagamit siya pang peel right after engage or pang stop noming engage. Tapos Bedrocks, hindi dapat kayo dumidikit sa kalaban kasi Bedrocks naka-demon armor kayo. So, dapat katabi nyo yung main zerg most of the